Delphi Dash Cam 3-channel is a triple-car camera system that captures footage from the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle in high-definition 1080p, equipped with infrared night vision, loop recording, G sensor, parking monitor, and 24 hours recording. It provides reliable surveillance and evidence in case of accidents or theft. The 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1S is a reliable and high-quality smart dash camera for cars. It features 1080p Full HD video recording, a Sony IMX307 sensor, built-in G sensor, WDR, and powerful night vision. With these advanced features, the 70mm Smart Dash Cam 1S provides accurate and clear video footage for improved driving safety. The iZEEKER Dash Cam for cars is a reliable and affordable option for recording driving footage. It features 1080p Full HD video recording, night vision, a 3-inch LCD display, parking mode, G sensor, loop recording, and WDR. With these features, the iZEEKER Dash Cam provides clear video footage of any incidents or accidents while driving. The VIOFO A119 V3 dash cam is a high-quality option for recording driving footage. It features 1440p 60 fps video recording, GPS tracking, enhanced super night vision with true HDR and Starvis sensor, a 148° wide-angle lens, 2-inch LCD display, and smart parking mode for 24-hour surveillance. With these advanced features, the VIOFO A119 V3 provides clear and accurate video footage. ARIFAYZ Dash Cam is a high-quality front-facing camera for cars that captures FHD 1080p video footage. It features night vision, 24-hour parking mode, WDR, loop recording, G-sensor, and Wi-Fi connectivity with an app. It supports up to 128 GB of storage and provides reliable video evidence in case of accidents or theft. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.